Today I'm going to show you how a tourist can use Google Gemini to explore places like Changdeokgung Palace in Seoul. What is the goal? It is to show our tour guides how AI can support and not replace what they do, by giving real-time tips, historical facts, and even cool hidden spots. Let's see how it works. Now I'm going to ask Gemini to help me plan my visit to Changdeokgung Palace, including the must-see steps and the secret garden. Hi Gemini, I'm at Changdeokgung Palace in Seoul today. Can you suggest the best route and must-see spots, including the secret garden, please?
I'm so jealous. Changdeokgung is stunning, especially in the fall. To make the most of your visit, start with the main gate, Dongwon, and walk through the Jinseonmun Gate to see the Injeongjong Hall, the main palace building. Next, head over to the Naksyeonjae area, the king's residence, which has beautiful traditional architecture. Finally, don't miss the secret garden, or Hwon, with its serene ponds and pavilions. You'll need a separate ticket for the secret garden, so be sure to get one in advance.
Here, Gemini gives me a clear plan for the visit, helping me prioritize the main attractions and reminding me about the secret garden booking, which is super useful to avoid surprises. Now that I'm at the palace entrance, I'm going to ask Gemini the history of the big hall I see. What is the history of Injeongjong Hall at Changdeokgung in Seoul?
Injeongjong Hall has a pretty interesting history. It was built in 1405 as the main throne hall of Changdeokgung Palace, where the king would conduct state affairs and receive foreign envoys. It was destroyed by fire during the Japanese invasions of Korea in the late 16th century, but was rebuilt in 1610. The hall has been renovated several times since then, most recently in 1804 after another fire.
These answers help me understand the importance of this building right away, making the visit more meaningful. Tour guides can also use this info to enrich their storytelling and engage tourists much better. On my way to the secret garden now, I'm gonna ask Gemini why this garden was so important for the kings. Tell me about the secret garden in Changdeokgung Palace in Seoul and why it was so important for the kings.
The secret garden, also known as Hwon, was a private retreat for the king and royal family. It's a beautiful, tranquil space with ponds, pavilions, and landscaped gardens. The garden was designed to be a place of relaxation and contemplation, away from the hustle and bustle of the palace. It was also used for banquets and celebrations.
Gemini's response gives me context about the garden's unique role, helping me appreciate the blend of nature and architecture. It's a great detail to share with visitors to deepen their experience. After the visit, I want to relax. So I will ask Google Gemini to recommend a traditional Hanok coffee nearby. Can you recommend me a traditional Hanok coffee near Changdeokgung Palace for a relaxing coffee, please?
Okay, for a relaxing Hanok coffee experience near Changdeokgung Palace, I'd suggest checking out Coffee Bangakgan. It's known for its traditional Korean atmosphere and delicious coffee. Would you like me to find their address and opening hours for you?
Gemini helps me to find an authentic spot to relax, showing that AI can support and give more personalized experiences for tourists. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm at Gyeongbokgung Palace. Google Gemini has also an AI video tool in real time. Live video feature can transform the way touristic guides work. With live video, I can share in real time what I see. It is like bringing the tour to life for visitors. I just have to point my camera with my cell phone and I will have the information, the itineraries, maps, and even recommendations. Can you explain me what is this place, please?
That's Gwanghwamun Gate in Seoul, South Korea. It's the main gate of Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Can you tell me about this place?
The National Palace Museum of Korea is a museum in Seoul that's all about the Joseon dynasty. It's got over 40,000 artifacts from the royal palaces, like paintings, pottery, and instruments. Are you interested in visiting?
What is the story of this architecture?
That's Gyeongguru Pavilion at Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul. It was used for royal banquets and performances.
As you can see, Google Gemini acts like a smart personal guide, instantly providing historical facts, local tips, and personalized recommendations. For tour guides, this means we can improve our service by integrating AI, answering tourist questions in real time, and offering a more interactive experience. The future of tourism is collaboration between human guides and AI tools, improving understanding and engagement.